What's up? Welcome back. My sign name. Today we are learning what is the difference between deaf and deaf. One with the capital D, one with the lowercase d. So the lowercase d is someone who is deaf and is not actively participates in deaf culture or their deaf community. So the one with the capital D is someone who participates in deaf community. There is a little bit of a controversial opinion if you're severely hard of hearing, if you can identify as deaf with a capital D because you use American Sign Language, you're in the community, you understand their culture, and you actively participate on your day-to-day. Someone who's deaf with a little d sometimes doesn't even know sign language or just has never even understood the community or culture.